Hi. Hello. Oh, wow. Hey, what's up, you guys? Your girl Bethany here, back with another video. I know it's been a while. I don't really want to get too much into where I've been or what's been happening in my life, but it was really needed to take the 3 weeks off of social media and YouTubing. Sometimes you just really need to step back and be alone and collect yourself and your thoughts. So I've been just really focusing on my mindset, my mental health, my health in general. That's where I've been, that's what I've been up to lately, and work. So to put that all aside, a lot of you guys have been telling me that, yeah, they appreciate the makeup and the beauty of it all, but some of you guys don't really enjoy always watching me do makeup. So I do appreciate the fact that you guys reached out. What I've been working on is really just coming up with a good schedule and different segments and themes that I wanted to share with you guys. One of the segments that I've been wanting to do is Makeup Mondays with Beth. Every Mondays I will be posting makeup looks, tutorials, stuff like that, challenges that's makeup related. And then for the rest of the week, so far I just have Wednesdays and Fridays. I will be switching it up, doing some vlogs, doing some challenges, pranks, all that good stuff for those of you guys who aren't really invested in the makeup. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this. It's like a Jordyn Woods inspired look with a hint of Bethany. You feel me? I've been doing this look for quite some time now during the summertime, and I feel like this is going to be my summer look. So of course, for those of you guys who are new to my channel, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. And for those of you guys who are coming back, thank you. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you're notified when I do post my next videos. I'm just gonna let you guys see how I get this look, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Let's get to it. I'm so extra. So I don't want to do a full coverage because I will be outside and it's pretty hot out, and I don't want to be sweating too much or have my pores all clogged up. I just want my face to breathe, but I still want to be glamorous. So usually I would use my Fenty Beauty foundation. So instead I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in NW43. I know you guys may have noticed that I do my makeup backwards compared to other makeup artists. I just like to start with my foundation and the base and then work to my eyes and my eyebrows and lips, because I don't like being that person that has to avoid messing up my makeup or messing up my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this basically everywhere. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my concealers. So taking Fit Me Concealer in 45 Tan. I'm of course just going to conceal underneath my eyes. And then just a little bit on my chin. Cupid's bow, a little dot on my nose. So if you're like me and you have a pretty big forehead, just placing a little bit of concealer, not too much. That's something that I actually recently learned and started to do less of. I used to place a whole bunch, and then when I would blend it out, it would make my forehead even bigger or wouldn't even do anything. So just placing a little, that much, that is good, I'm telling you. A little goes a long way. So next, going a shade up or two from what I had before, I'm just gonna place just a little bit, you guys. Don't place a lot. So just in the corner right here, just place just a little dot. I'm mostly focusing it in the inner corner of my eye. Next, we're gonna contour the face. I usually just contour my cheeks, and then later on, taking my bronzer, I'll contour the rest of my face. I actually been mixing my two setting powders together. So first, taking the Fenty Beauty in Banana. Really gonna focus on where I place the highlighted color. Okay, so I just leave that there for a bit. So while this is setting, I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany. And now I'm going to go ahead and like really contour my face. Of course, contouring my cheekbone, forehead, and just underneath my jawline and chin. Personally, I don't really like my chin and my forehead to be baking for too long, so I'm just gonna wipe it off, just using again the same MAC Studio powder. So now, taking my Sacha Buttercup powder, I'm gonna go ahead and place it over the Fenty powder. My eyebrows need some work. Feel me? It's been a while since I got them done. So I'm just gonna actually like fast forward my eyebrows because you guys already know how I do it, or if you haven't already, just click this little button here that says eyebrow tutorial, or here. I still haven't figured it out, to be honest, but it's gonna be up here. Okay, so just click that and it'll show you guys how I do my eyebrows in two different ways. So I'm going to just quickly zoom it, and then we'll move on to the eye look. So taking, of course, my Morphe palette that I tend to use all the time. But this one is just by far my favorite. This one is the 3502 palette. I'm sure you guys have seen this in all of my videos, but it looks like this. If you guys have the same palette as me, I'm gonna be telling you guys the shades that I use. So I'm gonna take Universal and work that all over my lid. Now I'm gonna take Stone, which is just a brown, and work this mostly in my crease. And of course, you need that inner corner highlight. So always I take Pure. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of this powder underneath my eyes. So now just taking again the same color Stone, I'm just gonna work this on my waterline. So lately I've been loving the wing eyeliner look. So taking my Maybelline Eye Studio in Black is Black, just gonna wing this look out. With this, I need a lot of concentration, so I'm gonna just fast forward this so I don't really have to talk while I'm doing it or screw anything up. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see really how I do my eyeliner step by step. Before I go ahead and put my lashes on and mascara, one thing that I've been doing that really brings the look together is this white liner. I know that she didn't do it for her look, but I just wanted to give a little pinch of Bethany in there. So what I'm going to do is really work this on my waterline, but I'm only going to do it midway. Next, I'm going to just put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I'm going to put my falsies on. I know that I've already told you guys to give this video a thumbs up for a tutorial on how I do my liner, but also give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see me do a tutorial on how I do my lashes as well. I'm not sure if I want to go with a gloss lip or a nude lip. So we're just going to do both. I'm going to start with like the matte. And if I like it from the start, I'm just going to stick with it. If not, I'll try the gloss lip. So taking my lip pencil from MAC, and this is in Chestnut. So what I'm going to do is just lightly line out my lip. So I'm going to take Hash, and it's just like a nice pink color, and fill in. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with a matte look. Yeah, so I'm not actually even done with the look, you guys. I like putting on my highlighter last because it's like the cherry on top. It really brings the look together, you feel me? So the one that I love to use, even though it's in my hands, let me put it down. The one highlighter stick, gave it away. Let me try this again. The one highlighter that I absolutely love using is of course the Fenty highlighter stick. So this one is in Rum. It's beautiful. So again, this is a nice natural brown glowy look, and that's what I'm going for. So I'm not sure if I want to do too much highlight or just keep it on the down low. Feel me? I like to just start simple. So starting with the nose, okay, and then the Cupid's bow. Then we're gonna work it to the cheeks and the little temple. Just like that. Look, oh, like this. And make sure you guys don't blend it. Like, leave it like that. Don't blend. I'm gonna show you. Okay, voila, y'all. Oh, my lash is stuck. Anyways, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love, like, wow. I think this is actually the best look I've done. Like, this makes me look so bright and so alive, y'all. I'm alive, amen. This look has been very much inspired by Jordyn Woods. She goes for very natural glam looks, as if she's not wearing any makeup. I've seen one of her posts recently that was just so beautiful. So it was like, whoa, like this is what I go for, but I kind of switched it up a little bit so it like imitates her look, but I still went ahead and put in a little hint of Beth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to see you guys try it out. Like always, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.